Do you want to achieve better results with your Facebook ad campaigns, but you don't know how to hit the nail on the head? After analyzing over 490,000 campaigns from across the world, we have the answers to some of the biggest questions in Facebook advertising. By examining this data, you can optimize your ads and understand how to build the ads the correct way for your business, and you don't even need to be an expert. So, let's dive into the data. Hello Metricoolers, I'm Robert and I'm a part of the Metricool team. In this video, we will break down our conclusions and which metrics we analyzed to conduct this study. How did we do this? We analyzed over 490,000 campaigns worldwide from more than 29,000 advertising accounts, and we looked into the most used campaigns, which ones have the highest investment, and the average CPCs and CPMs per country. In total, these accounts invested over $126 million, which includes reach, impressions, clicks, and cost data. To make this data easily comparable, we converted all campaigns into US dollars. By doing it this way, we can compare the campaigns by country and according to the objective that was chosen for the Facebook ad campaign. Before we jump to the conclusions, if you want to read the full story, you can click the link in the description to access the full report. When we are talking about the types of objectives in Facebook ads, there are 6 types. The first objective is sales, which is aimed at finding new customers and increasing sales on the advertiser's website through conversions, messaging, and catalog sales on Facebook and Instagram. Next, we have leads, where the goal here is to generate leads and drive them to the end of the buying process through forms, calls, messages, and registrations. Engagement campaigns help boost video plays, the likes on your page, and the participation in your events. And this is recommended for those wanting to increase interactions on posts, the replays on your videos, or the communication within your community. Then you have traffic campaigns, where the goal of the campaign is for the viewer to click on a link or to visit a landing page. This leads the users to a website or a landing page with the hope that they perform on a specific action. Brand awareness is all about putting yourself in your customers' brain and how your brand can help them. And these campaigns allow your brand to become more recognizable or have more video views to resonate with your viewers. As the name suggests, ad promotion aims to increase the number of downloads or the app events. Okay, now that we have all the objectives laid out, let's get into the first part of the data, the most used campaigns and those with the highest investment. Of the campaigns analyzed, engagement campaigns account for the highest percentage of the number of campaigns created at 41.7%. Next, we have traffic campaigns at 32.1%, and the next ones drop off significantly with brand awareness at 10%, leads at 8.5%, sales at 7.4%, and app promotion at only 0.2%. Now, when we look at which campaigns had the highest investment, which means how much of the budget was actually spent on these campaigns, the objective where the largest amount of budget was spent was sales campaigns, accounting for 29.3%, leads campaigns sit at 25.6%, traffic campaigns at 19.4%, engagement at 15.4%, brand awareness at 9.1%, and app promotion at 0.2%. In this case, sales, lead generation, and traffic are at the top of the ranking, and in short, these are the campaigns that take up most of the budget, and these campaigns receive the most direct ROI and are business performance focused. So, how much do brands invest in ads then? If we compare the number of campaigns and the cost dedicated to each objective, we can see how much budget is invested on average in each type of campaign. An average of $89 is invested into engagement campaigns, which is sitting at the lowest of all of them. Traffic campaigns have an average investment of $147, and brand awareness with $220 per campaign. Leads campaign investments jump up significantly at an average of $731. Sales campaigns have an average investment around $955 per campaign, and the highest average is app promotion campaigns with an average investment of $1,897 per campaign. If we compare the data from our 2018 Facebook ad study, we can see that advertisers invested more in engagement campaigns, while today more is being invested into sales-oriented campaigns. Continuing with the data, in this next part of the study, we look at the average CPC and CPMs in Facebook ads, even breaking them down by country. First, to clarify, CPC stands for cost per click, and CPM stands for cost per milli, meaning cost per 1,000 impressions. In this study, we found the average CPC per campaign to be at 0.085 cents. Knowing the average cost of each type of campaign can help guide you on what may be the most profitable strategy when investing in Facebook ads. And the data speaks for itself. Lead acquisition has the highest cost per click at 20 cents, and traffic campaigns have the lowest at 0.04 cents. This is an interesting conclusion because it may be more economical to create a traffic campaign and guide users to an attractive landing page rather than creating a leads campaign that can skyrocket the budget. And what about the cost per thousand average? In general, these Facebook campaigns had an average CPM of $1.25, and if we differentiate them by objective, we see that with cost per click, lead campaigns are the most expensive with an average spend of $3.14 per thousand impressions. This is followed by sales at $2.39, and in this CPM section, brand awareness campaigns are the cheapest with only 34 cents per thousand impressions. Since, as we said before, these campaigns are oriented to reach a very wide audience, making their costs go down. These are just some of the most relevant conclusions to our study, but if you want to take a look at the full study and see the data segmented by country or always have them at hand and you could draw your own conclusions, I will leave the link in the video description. And now you know, Metricooler, to review your strategy with the data in hand to get better results with your Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp ads. And if you want to start creating and managing your Facebook ads with Metricool but don't know where to start, take a look at this video. As always, if you have any questions or doubts, leave them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time, Metricoolers.